Hello Jay, are you okay?
Yes, man, thanks for asking. I'm alright.
Okay, we will start in a few minutes.
Okay.
Is DJ Lekus already in place?
Sure he is.
Okay, go.
Yo, wake up everybody! Yo, this is Regional Remix, especially dedicated for all first love to dance. Come on! Yes, DJ Lekus is in place. Come on! Dance, 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 dance. Do you want to know about DJ Lekus? Do you want to know about him? Yes, tonight, I'm gonna tell you who he is. He's from Madagascar, a Malagasy man. Of course. He's from Saba, the new generation. A millionaire man, a lucky man, handsome, and a single man. Lucky girls. Where are you, DJ Lekus? Lekus! Yes, sir. Clap your hands, clap your hands, clap your hands, clap your hands. Okay, now, before he comes, I want to show you how to dance this song. Ready? Come on. 1, 2, 3, left. 1, 2, 3, right. 1, 2, 3, left. 1, 2, 3, right. Wonderful. Super, super, super. Now. Yo, one more time, please. Come on. Excellent. Do you love DJ Lekus? I say, do you love DJ Lekus? Thank you. Yo, 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 move your body. Everybody. Move your body. Everybody. I want to see your hands up again. Hands up, hands up, hands up, hands up. 1, 2, 3, left. 1, 2, 3, right. 1, 2, 3, left. 1, 2, 3, right. Wonderful. Super, super, super. No. Yo, one more time, please. Come on. Excellent. Dance, 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 Yo, one more time, please. Come on. No. Excellent. This is a new music, new style, new feeling. Sambaba represents something you have never seen before. Yes, I. Yes, I. Lekus of Sambaba is here tonight. He's happy to be here with you. Canada, Montreal, peace. But before that, ladies and gentlemen, I want to thank you. And I want to introduce you some very important people tonight. First of all, the Boots, the kingmaker of Madagascar. Secondly, Flosino, the sound engineer. Respect. Let's not forget, Dr. Bett is also here tonight with us. Peace. And this next one is very, very important. It's special. Meet Mr. John Franz Vegas, the king of